welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing my first set ever on my own hands. Don't forget to let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also, this is my TikTok, so yeah, add me on TikTok. So of course I start by trimming my nails. I leave a little bit of tip for my nail tip to be glued on top of. Then I go in and file my nails to make sure the edges are not too pointy. Smooth application, that's what we want. Then I go on ahead and push back my cuticles, which is like the little white part that is at the base of your nail. If you don't do this, your nails will lift and they won't last as long. So I really recommend that you push back your cuticles. And then we're going to go right on ahead with the sanding band to remove the rest of the cuticles. Reminder, this is not a tutorial whatsoever. I'm just showing y'all what I did. I'm not sure if this is right or not, so if I do something wrong, don't judge me too hard. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out the cuticle part. I was scared to use the scissors because I didn't want to make myself bleed, so I just did I just pushed it back, and then I got the sanding band to remove the rest of the cuticle as much as I could. And to remove the shine from my natural nail, you don't want your nails to be shiny. The tips I got from Amazon, they are stiletto tips. So I like stiletto tips because once you cut the tip, it's basically coffin. So if you want to cheat your way without shaping your nail, just buy stiletto tips. And now you already have coffin nails. Hey baby, hey. So yes, I got the KDS nail glue from Amazon. On my practice hand, I used the Kiss nail glue and it was not sticking on, but the KDS, honey, that's the truth. All right, that's the truth right there. That thing glued so fast to my fingers. Oh my god, I was so happy. I'm not gonna lie to you. So yes, cut your tips to your desired length. I was gonna double tip, but my parents around, so I can't really double tip because they're gonna roast me, okay? So yes, file, make sure you file on top to blend the artificial tip with the natural nail, and file in the sides, as needed. Time for the acrylic. Honestly, I forgot to use my primer on the first two fingers, so make sure you do that and use your primer, okay? But the nails are still on, so yeah, make sure you use the primer if you want your nails to stay on. For sure. So for my pinky finger, I just did it as an all white. I was going for a butterfly type, ombre type style. Yeah, I was just winging it. So honestly, if the brush looked weird, that's because it has a little bit of acrylic in it, but I didn't have time to remove the acrylic, so I just did my best. But I gotta learn how to shape my brush better and preserve it better. But everything went out pretty well. But yeah, I'm just putting the acrylic on top. I'm using small little beads. I'm tapping the acrylic powder 3 times. I was trying my best to attempt the 3-ball method, but at this point I was just winging it, shaping it the best way I could. So yeah. For this nail, I wanted to do a ombre type, so I started with a white base, and then at the tip I'm gonna put clear, and then on top of the clear I'm gonna put little tiny butterflies on top. So yeah, so white base, and then I put some clear acrylic powder on the tippy top because I wanted the clear look. And then make sure that the acrylic is wet. So when you put the butterflies on top, so you gotta work fast a little bit. So when you put the butterflies on top, the butterflies will actually stick on. If the butterflies aren't sticking on, just put an extra layer of clear acrylic and just a little bit so the butterflies will stick. Then I went ahead and encapsulated the nail with some clear acrylic. I tried to get the biggest bead possible. For my ring finger, I basically did the same thing. I really gotta work my placement around the cuticle. I actually don't know what I'm doing there. I think I have to dab more. But practice makes perfect or whatever. So yeah, I just did the same thing. I did the white base. And at the tippy top, I did a clear acrylic so I could get that white to clear ombre effect. Now for this finger, I want to do a marble white, milky white type nail. So I did 2 dabs of the clear acrylic and 1 dab of the white acrylic to get, that marbly white cuteness type, whatever look. And yeah, I just swirled it around the nail. Do my best to cover the whole nail. First, I did the first half. And then I put like the butterflies and the foils before it dried. And then after that, I did the second half and I put some butterflies and some more foils. So yeah, work a little bit fast so before the acrylic dries, so the stuff you're putting to get encapsulated can actually stick to the acrylic kind of wet, And then I went on ahead and I used a big old glob of clear acrylic to encapsulate my nail and make it smooth. Make sure the butterflies are locked in there, you know what I'm saying? And for my thumb, I just did some white acrylic. Same thing as my pinky. Then I went on ahead and shaped the nails. So I started with like a medium coarse nail bit. Honestly, I don't have a technique yet, so I can't really tell you what I did. I just, try to shape it as best as possible. Make sure it's not too bumpy. Also, a lot of this shaping was not in the frame, so I gotta work on that. But yeah. And then I went in with my file to, shape it a little bit more finely. So yeah, first I did my drill bit, and then I did my file. And then after that, I went in with a tapered one. I should have done the tapered one after the drill bit, but I went in with my tapered drill bit to clean around the cuticle. Oh, okay, yeah. I know my left hand looks very bad. Okay, I'm very, very right-handed. Okay, I don't. My left hand is basically a cocoa bean. So we're gonna get to work on this left hand with my drill. Don't worry about it. It's all gonna go well. Okay, in Jesus' name, it's gonna go well. Nails. Yeah, I just gotta clean up a lot here. So after all that filing with my e-filer and my nail filer, I buff my nails to remove any scratches. Yeah, this is a very important step to buff your nails, especially when you're dealing with clear acrylic. Then I decided that I wanted my white fingers to be extra white, so I did put some white gel polish on it. I am not the best painter, so yeah, if I messed up, I used a little bit of acetone to clean around the edges. But yeah, I try to be very careful, but I'm very clumsy, so I went ahead and added some top coats to the nail. I did add a little bit of rhinestones. The rhinestones, they stayed on relatively. If you're not doing nothing crazy like your hair or something, it should be fine. So yeah, I put on like some rhinestones. And woo, here are the nails. You know, some close-ups or whatever. You know, they're not perfect, but I did do them myself. So, you know, for a first try, I feel like it wasn't too bad, you know what I'm saying? It's only up from here, honey. But yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Love you guys. So forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.